Musculin, today we take you on a journey through the minds of two workable people. The first is a legendary investor whose portfolio is as diverse as the financial world itself. The other is an enigmatic trailblazer who is revolutionizing transportation and the very future of our planet. He knows how to make essentially businesses out of philanthropy to make themselves sustaining, fantastic. In the spotlight, Ray Dalio, a titan of the finance industry, shares his opinions on a man who has come to represent innovation itself. Dalio, the renowned founder of Bridgewater Associates, has stated that he is thinking about investing in Tesla. Come along as we analyze the hints and explore the potential driving forces behind Dalio's decision to invest in the greatest business the world has ever seen. Musk, Elon, the brains behind Tesla, SpaceX, and a host of other groundbreaking ventures, the mastermind, represents unwavering ambition and a vision that will change the game. This conversation could redefine your financial future as we delve into the exciting world of investing. From insights into Elon's genius to breaking down Tesla's astonishing stock price growth and figuring out how much Tesla stock you need for your investment portfolio. Elon, maybe all the motivation Dalio needs to invest his investors millions in Tesla innovation, and Elon Musk's brilliance. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up because we're about to set out on a Tesla-powered voyage into the future via the eyes of Ray Dalio. But before, make sure to press that like button and the subscribe button. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's get this video started by breaking down the reasons why Tesla might be on Do's radar. Dalio is renowned for his astute investment judgment and out-of-the-box thinking. So if we were in his position, what characteristics might make Tesla a compelling prospect? Elon Musk is a name that divides people's opinions like a hot knife through butter. For some, he represents the contemporary equivalent of Leonardo da Vinci, a visionary genius painting the future. For others, he represents a reckless gambler, recklessly rolling the dice of innovation. However, as you can see, Rayo isn't the only one who has no friend. This is a worldwide fiesta of compliments and criticism. Here's the scoop. The only person who can predict whether Musk's rocket ride will finish with tears or cheers is Nope Times, and the roller coaster isn't stopping anytime soon. The brains behind the largest hedge fund in the world, Ray Dalio, Bridgewater Associates, has a soft place for Musk because in addition to thinking the man is nice, Eyes believes he has altered the world for the better. Now, what has everyone talking is Musk's tag team duo, according to Dalio Musk. Tesla and SpaceX are not just starting businesses, but he's also writing a whole new playbook. However, there's always a but. Dalio is not a Musk fanboy. He has his doubts, that whole impulsive thing and how sometimes Musk just goes blindly into the unknown without even looking in the rearview mirror. As for being a team player, well, let's just say that while Musk may not be everyone's first choice for a playmate duo, being the fair judge that he is, believes that Musk's positive traits outweigh his negative ones. Musk is similar to a high roller at poker who is constantly moving chips to the center of the table and taking chances that would cause the rest of us to perspire. Let's break it down into manageable chunks, shall we? Dalio thinks that the secret to Musk's success is his crystal ball-like vision. He not only sees the future, but actually makes it happen, which takes courage. On the other hand, Dalio is concerned about Musk's spontaneous antics, akin to a magician pulling rabbits out of hats without thinking about where they're going to live. And occasionally, Musk can be even more difficult to handle and understand than a Rubik's Cube. However, in the big picture, Dalio seems to believe that Musk is a rare gem. Sure, he has his eccentricities, but his capacity to upend the status quo and change the world makes him worth the odd headache. And you know what? Ray Dalio has a valid point. Musks are similar to that oddball painter who may spatter paint all over the canvas, but nonetheless creates a work of art that is so amazing that it puts everyone in a state of shock. But let's not overlook the financial aspect of the situation. We've seen Tesla's stock price. So Dalio, who is renowned for his careful analysis, would be attracted by the company's financial performance soaring. But what about its foundations? Tesla's stock has seen an exhilarating journey following the release of its second quarter results report, plunging over 20. However, it was only last week that the company pulled off a spectacular rescue act to save a scary 25 decline. This is where things get fascinating year to date. when compared to the S&P 500 index, which has increased by a meager 17.69 year to date. Tsla stock has skyrocketed by an astounding 98.9. Let's explore why Tesla's stock may just keep rising. Remember those Q2 results, which were nothing short of a blockbuster, with a whopping 480,000 vehicles rolled out and a staggering 466,000 delivered, making last year's figures look like a warm-up act. Since an 83 surge in production and a whopping 86 spike in deliveries. Yes, prepare for an exciting revelation, my friend, as Tesla is about to unveil its piece de resistance, the Model 3 Highland. This much anticipated addition to Tesla's lineup is poised to take center stage, and the audience can hardly contain their anticipation. The buzz is that this new model will hit the market with a price tag that's bound to leave Wall Street skeptics Tesla tinkered with prices throughout the year, which did nibble at quarterly margins. But here's the plot twist. It didn't bite as hard as the Wall Street skeptics thought it would. Astonishing, but hang on to your hat. This is where the story becomes really complicated. When it comes to the full self-driving software, Tesla is not just experimenting with small improvements. Rather, they are orchestrating a full-blown symphony of innovation. It's truly a game changer to see these Tesla vehicles gliding down the open road. Without the need for a human driver, thanks to the wizardry of FSD. At this point, FSD is at level 3 automation, which basically means that even though it is incredibly advanced, a cautious driver must still maintain control of the vehicle. However, when FSD reaches full autonomy, you're not just witnessing a technological marvel. You're witnessing a financial code grace for Tesla. Once Tesla's dream of robotaxis becomes a reality, the FSD software will become a cash cow, much like a recurring symphony. This is a huge leap into a future where innovation, profitability, and convenience coexist. It's not just a stride ahead. Come together on the same road. Oh, and the story twist is here, not to mention that Tesla superchargers are the best in North America. And starting in 2025, the company will share the plug with General Motors and Ford. Tesla may invite other manufacturers of electric vehicles to join the FSD party. Imagine a future in which GM of electric cars and Tesla vehicles both gracefully sip electricity from the charging port of the former. It would be like having a universal translator for electric vehicles, allowing different makes and models to speak the same language. This is about cooperation, more than just competition, laying the foundation for an ecosystem of electric vehicles that is more integrated and efficient. But this is the final stage, the Wall Street script for Tesla's upcoming third quarter earnings report, which is scheduled for late October. Looks like this. Compared to the same quarter previous year, when they earned $15 per share on revenue of $21.96 billion. They made 80 cents per share on revenue of $24.67 billion. Assuming Tesla, if they also highlight their supercharger network energy ventures and FSD roadmap, then get ready for Tesla's stock to go on a wild ride toward $300 and beyond. With Tesla's current stock price at $12.45, consider this your friendly invitation to jump on board before the next exciting chapter unfolds. If Tesla nails this performance and paints a rosy picture for the full year, expect the stock to stage a comeback. Let's also explore Tesla shares in greater detail as a possible investment. First of all, Tesla's ascent to prominence in the stock market, nothing short of extraordinary. It's similar to witnessing a gifted rookie steal the stage at a talent competition for investors considering their golden years. As with any investment, there are subtleties to take into account when deciding whether to invest in Tesla for your retirement. The stock of the company might be quite blurring. Nest egg depends on your individual financial circumstances and risk tolerance. If you have a long-term investment horizon and don't mind a wild ride in the near term, Tesla's stock may be the star of your portfolio. However, if the thought of volatility gives you the chills, you should look into alternate investment options that provide a more comfortable ride. Now let's talk about the big issue in plainer terms. Tesla is a growth stock, which means that, like the driven young athlete setting goals for himself, the company is expected to grow its earnings and revenue at a faster rate than the overall market. However, just like that athlete's journey, Tesla's stock price may fluctuate like a pendulum in the short term, leaving investors hanging on for the ride. This is where the Tesla story begins to shine. For retirement investors who like to dream big, Tesla offers a ticket to the future. Now, let's talk strategy. Beyond electric vehicles, Tesla is in the business of shaping the future picture with self-driving cars navigating our streets and innovative technologies that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. If Tesla succeeds in these endeavors, the stock price could shoot for the stars over the long. That's similar to choosing how many colors to use in a masterpiece. To determine how many Tesla stocks to include in your retirement account, diversification is a universal notion in the world of investing. It's like making a buffet instead of a single course meal by investing in a variety of assets. However, there is no magic number that works for everyone. While Tesla may take center stage, it's a good idea to allow other assets take center stage as well. And if you're yearning for additional advice on how to manage your retirement with Tesla stocks, we have a treasure for you. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and so on help you diversify your risk. As we wrap up this video, my friend, you may find a wealth of videos waiting for you if you visit our channel there. You'll also find a welcoming community of fellow investors exploring the path to financial security. So take a virtual seat and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Retirement dreams may be just a click away. Let's review the main conclusions. Before we sign off, we'd love to hear from you about whether you've considered investing in Tesla for your retirement and what factors are influencing your decision. We've heard Dio's opinions about Elon and Tesla, and we've seen how the company's stock journey has been nothing short of remarkable, but it comes with its share of risks and rewards. Now, if you're into investing, your decision to invest in Tesla should align with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance. Please let us know in the comment section below if there are any particular subjects you'd like us to cover in future videos. If you thought today's video was interesting and educational, don't forget, hit the subscribe button to receive updates on the newest developments in Tesla stock news. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again.